Backhouse Resident and Hospital, and Beech Forest Post Office. Dr. Benjamin Backhouse arrived in Beech Forest in April 1905 and built this large house for his residence, consulting rooms, and private hospital. He became the first resident medical practitioner of Beech Forest, remaining until 1916. During World War I, he conducted many of the medicals for enlisting soldiers. With an increasing sawmilling and farming community and growing town populations, Beech Forest later supported 2 doctors. The first Victorian bush nursing service was opened in Beech Forest in 1911 with Nurse Milken, the first permanent incumbent. Nurse Milkins also operated a private hospital in a boarding house until it was destroyed by fire in 1938. In 1918, this building became a post office and remained so until 1994, following only informal delivery services. A later renovation accommodated a postmaster, assistant telegraphist, and telephonist, providing a full range of postal and telephone services for the Otway region. The first post office opened in 1890 at the Ditchley Park Hotel under the management of Annie Gardner for 9 years. In 1904, there was a shooting accident when Frank Hall was out catching a bunny for dinner and accidentally shot off his right hand. Fenton Hall records, "They drove into Beech Forest on the Corduroy Road, and Grandma kept Pop alive by holding him upside down with his head on the floor of the jinker. Over bumps in the road, the jinker was sometimes 4 feet in the air. Dad was operated on the counter of the old post office. News flew around, Frank Hall has shot off his hand. So all the kids had a grandstand view of the whole procedure through the post office window." Note the telephone box on the right, circa 1950. Images on this sign include the interior of the Beech Forest Telephone Exchange, 1918, and Nurse Milken's Hospital.